The next problem, an ideal dual combustion cycle operates on 454 grams of air. So, meron ka ng mass of air dyan na 454 grams. So, you just have to divide it with 1,000 para maging kilograms. At the beginning of the compression, air is at this condition. Okay? So, pressure 1 is 96.53 kPa. Ito yung mga past board exam questions. So, T1 is 43.3 plus ko kagad ng 273 to make it absolute. Okay? So, plus kagad natin. So, 43.3 plus 273. Check nyo yung wordings. Okay? 316.3. 316.3 degrees Kelvin, that is T1. Now, sabi dito, you let RP equal to 1.5. Binibigay na yung mga ratios dyan. And then, RC is equal to 1.6. And then, RK is 11. Okay? Tignan natin kung may silbi ba itong mga binibigay. Okay. Ano hinahanap? Cycle efficiency. O, pwede ka na palang dumiretso sa cycle efficiency. Sir, ito ang pinaka-basic pag cycle efficiency. So, work net over QA. Ang problema mo, hindi naman binigay yun sa QA mo. If you want to solve, this is QA total kapag dual cycle kasi dalawa yung magiging QA mo dyan. Eh. Isa from constant pressure, isa from constant volume. Okay? Yung work net mo naman, mahirap i-determine yan unless meron ka ng pwedeng yung sa QR, yung sa QA, ma-minus mo yung total heat minus total heat reject. That is work net. Okay, yung resultant ng dalawa. So, parehas, wala. So, anong gagamitin natin? Gamitin mo lahat ng compression ratios and then pressure ratio. Sir, paano madaling matandaan siya? So, lagi mong tatandaan ang pinaka-basic at pinaka-efficient cycle yung auto. 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1. Okay? Kadugtong na niyan. Lagi may kadugtong. And then, idugtong mo agad. Sino? Sinong kasunod ni dual or auto? Sinong kasunod ni auto? Laging yung si diesel. Diba si diesel, ang efficiency niya, RC raised to K minus 1. Tapos, nasa baba yung K RC minus 1. Yan na, diesel na yan. Eh sir, medyo nalilito pa ako. Okay? Eh, susunod na dito yung dual cycle. O, didikit mo na kagad yung isang binigay pa niya, which is RT. Okay? Diba? Dinagdag mo siya. So, RT minus 1 plus RT. I-multiply mo dito sa buong expression. Ngayon, para hindi ka malito, ganito gawin mo. Ay, pakita natin sa calculator mamaya. So, yung efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 over yung RK mo is 11. This is air standard, so that is 1.4 minus 1. Tapos yung iyong RP, 1.5. Si RC is 1.6 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Divide by RP, 1.5 minus 1 plus yung RP, buong imumultiply mo. So that is 1.5 multiply to 1.4. And then you have to multiply it with yung RC minus 1. 1.6 minus 1. And then multiply it all over by 100% para makuha mo yung kanyang efficiency. So let us do this in our calculator para hindi kayo malilito at hindi kayo mahirapan. Ganito lang siya. So, ayusin mo yung calculator mo. 1 minus, okay, 1. Annotate mo yung ito, yung iyong RK as A, okay, yung iyong RC as B, and then yung RT mo as C. So that is the alpha A raised to yung 1.4 minus 1, basic na yan. So 1.4 minus 1. Okay? And then you have to multiply it all over. So this is RP, di ba? Ang sabi ko yung RP, that is C. Okay? Tapos multiply mo ng alpha B raised to 1.4 minus 1. Okay? Don't forget yung iyong parentheses. So RP is alpha C minus 1 plus alpha C times 1.4 times alpha, parenthesis ka ulit, alpha B minus 1. Okay? So, pindutin yung calc. Yung A mo is 11, that is RK. And then yung B mo is RC, 1.6. And then, hindi, nauna ata si B. Ulitin natin yung process, ha? A is 11, C is 1.5. 1.5. B, sinusunod ng calculator mo yung order na nilagay mo sila. So, 1.6. So, that is 0.6959. 0.69595. Approximately 0.6960. E. Try natin ulit. Okay, sir, nalilito kasi ako eh. So, wala namang kaso. So, dito. Unahin natin nasa loob ha. Ito muna. So, 1.5 multiplied to, so nasa loob ng bracket muna. 1.6 raised to 1.4 minus 1. And then, okay, sa baba, 1.5 minus 1 plus, multiply mo na 1.4 times 1.5 RP, tapos yung K times 1.6 minus 1. Siguro pwede mo na siyang i-deduct direkta. Ito pala yung nasa loob ng bracket. Okay? Store mo siya kay letter B. Okay. Kay letter A, so 1 divided by 1 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Store siya kay letter A. Ginagawa ko parate. So 1 minus, recall mo yung value ni A, recall mo rin yung value ni B. So that is same lang dito. Very basic.